Hi everybody, it's 11:48 and 20 seconds on October 24th. This is the main drawing for the New Mutants 98 pair, the 8.5 slab, as well as the raw copy. Over here are the 28 filled spots. Just going to go up and down so everybody can see everything. Going to roll the 3 dice. Number is 14. We'll randomize 14 times. Name at the top of the list will get both books, and they will ship out tomorrow, the 25th. Best of luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here comes the final one. 14, Frank Digi, spot 19. Congratulations, coming second place in the mini. Time is 11:49 and 20.